Your register is now on and you're ready to program time and date. You're going to go ahead and grab your P key, which is already inserted, and go to P mode or program mode. Quite easily display this time, which is the 6 option. You can go down with the check or down arrow, or simply press 6, cash, which acts as an enter key. First option, time and date, cash, which is an enter key, and now we're ready to put the time. Currently is 11:01. The register is displaying the correct time, but we're gonna override that, so it's gonna be 11:02, cash. You're ready to put the date now. The date today is 10/30/2021. Once again, the register is already displaying the correct date, but we're gonna go ahead and override 10/30/21, cash, enter. Your time and date is now set.